welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. So before we even get started in our video today, I have a question for you all. What is your typical weekly lineup when it comes to meals that you guys prepare at home? For us, we typically have a lot of Mexican style dishes throughout the week. I am not the biggest fan of like preparing tacos like in an assembly line. I just don't really care for it. I love tacos though. So I have over time come up with a very simplified recipe where, yes, for those who love to stuff tacos with all of their things that they like, you still get that, but your base is all prepared together. Stick with me, I promise. It is well worth the watch. It makes things much easier, and I love those like one dish wonders where everything kind of just cooks within one pot or pan. So you are gonna get that today. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am so grateful for everyone that already has, but come on and join the family. So if you're ready to see how easy this recipe is, come on with me. today's video. I hope it was a very simple and quick recipe for maybe one of your weekly dinner ideas for the upcoming week. Please make sure that you like this video, share it to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I love seeing new faces here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.